Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study abroad without IELTS. Many international universities offer pathways for students who do not have an IELTS score. You can often provide alternative proof of your English proficiency, such as a letter from your previous educational institution confirming English as the medium of instruction. Some institutions also provide pre-sessional English courses, allowing you to meet the language requirement before your main program begins. It's a great way to open up global education opportunities. Next, it is crucial to conduct thorough research into each university's specific English language policies. Many institutions offer waivers if your previous degree was taught entirely in English. Additionally, a growing number of universities now accept online English proficiency tests, such as the Duolingo English test or the Pearson test of English, as valid alternatives. Always reach out to the admissions office directly to confirm their current requirements and any available exemptions. There are several widely accepted proofs of English proficiency beyond IELTS. A formal letter from your previous academic institution stating that English was the sole medium of instruction for your degree is a common alternative. Furthermore, if you have completed a degree in an English-speaking country, many universities will waive the IELTS requirement entirely. Some institutions even offer their own internal English assessment tests for prospective students. Finally, once you have secured admission to your chosen university, the next step is the student visa application. Ensure all your academic transcripts, financial statements, and other required documents are meticulously prepared. Be ready for your visa interview, presenting yourself confidently, and providing clear, truthful answers to all questions. Remember to track your application status regularly to stay informed about any updates or additional requirements. Good luck with your study abroad journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.